Hello students, I am Kiran. Today we learn about a chemistry chapter that is a structure of an atom. Atom is a spherical structure. Structure like a ball-like structure. It is the smallest individual particles that cannot we see through our eyes. We neither create or not be destroyed these particles. Smallest particles of an element. That we can't see through our naked eyes. Will neither be destroyed can neither be destroyed nor be created. It divided into three parts. Neutrons have no charge, they are neutral. Protons, they contain positive charge, also known as canal rays. And electron, they have negatively charged and known for cathode rays. Neutrons have no charge, so they have 0 coulomb. C is coulomb, SI unit of charge. And protons and electrons have same charge, but electrons are negatively charged. Protons have 1.6 into 10 minus 11 coulomb. And they are electrons, so they have minus negative charges. 1.6 into 10 minus 11. So neutrons and protons have these charges. Electrons also have these charges. Mass of their atoms, neutron, proton and electrons have mass of proton and neutrons are equal 1.67 into 10 minus 27 kilogram. But electrons are very less. They are also less, but these are also less than these. They are 9.1 into 10 minus 31 kilogram. Neutrons are founded by J.J. Thomson. Protons are founded by two scientists, but Rutherford found it actual, but Goldsmith do only initial work of protons. Electrons are founded by James Chadwick. Is it okay? J.J. Thomson do a model that prepare for neutrons. He compared his model to a watermelon. In watermelon, the red edible parts, that we eat are positively charged, and the seeds are negatively charged. He also said that the amount of negatively charged seeds and positively charged red edible part are same, so they are neutral. And prove that the atom is neutral, and the position of the atoms, neutrons and protons are in between of nucleus, and nucleus present in the center of an atom, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in orbit with an equal distance between them, have equal distance between one orbit, second orbit, third orbit, and revolve around them. Rutherford, is it okay? I love this. Rutherford take a fluorescent sheet or a zinc sulfide screen. Alpha particles that are positively charged. A gold foil, we know that gold foil is very thin as compared to aluminium foil and other foil, that the rays can also spread in these fluorescent sheet, and he take this zinc sulfide screen to the alpha rays when get on these, so green dots will appear on the fluorescent screen. Alpha particle emit. From here, alpha particles are gone, and go forward. Some alpha particles go for straight, and some diverted by some angles. But very less. In very less amount, they came backward to this side. As I told, the Rutherford scientist take fluorescent sheet and gold foil to discover his project. So another scientist, Bohr atomic model. He discovered that a nucleus that is filled of neutrons and protons, and electrons revolve around them by his model. The nucleus, and in nucleus the neutrons and protons are filled, and electrons revolve around the orbit with same distance. We have a magical formula, 2n square. To know magical formula for maximum number of electron can revolve in one orbit, second orbit, third orbit. So we find first orbit. First orbit n is equal to 1. So 1 square is equal to 2. We have 2 electrons. Next, second orbit. Second orbit n is equal to 2. So 2 square is equal to 8 orbit. Third orbit and so on. This is a magical formula to find maximum number of electron in an orbit. And we must have to learn about mass number of first 20 elements. It is very important for any chemistry chapter and structure of an atom. The another and the last topic is valency. Valency is combining capacity of an element. So I rub this. Valency is known as combining capacity of an element. That is, we have start next topic, atomic mass. Atomic mass is a total number of protons and electrons and mass. Total number of proton plus neutron. These both are very different things. Thank you. Today topic is closed.